Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Venmo. First, make sure you have set up your payment method. Before proceeding, confirm that you have linked your bank or card to Venmo. After adding your payment method, press the back button twice to return to the main screen. Look for the Venmo balance section. It might show 0 if you haven't added funds yet, and tap Manage. Tap the Add Money option, which will display the available methods for adding funds. Choose between an instant transfer up to $500 per week or stand transfer, 3 to 5 days for larger amounts. Enter the amount to transfer. Input your desired amount like $20 and tap Next. Confirm your funding source, verify the bank account or card selected. If needed, opt to switch to a different account. Once satisfied, Add Now to initiate the transfer. Check your Venmo balance to ensure the amount was added. Instant transfer. Update your Venmo balance quickly, but the funds may take a few days to withdraw from your bank. Make sure sufficient funds are in your bank account. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.